Here's a basic video of the operation of the 860 GV GAC Powerline extenders. So these are wired up. You can see we have two different colors of power cords here. So we have a good example of what is earth, ground, neutral, and line with different color schemes. So basically this gets plugged into a LAN connection and we'll go into the AC outlet. So let's get that plugged in, just like that. LAN connection. This will start searching for its partner. Let's plug in the other end into, it's going to be the same power strip on this one, but if you have a house situation, any outlet in the house that goes through the breaker on the same common breaker box, you are fine. So there we go. Now is these things now see each other and are linked. And let's do a speed test and let's see what kind of throughput we're actually getting out of these. Okay. So there's some throughput right there. And this will adjust over time.